What's up, my guy? Hope everything's lovely with you, man. All my day ones, the ones that comment, man, y'all the go. Y'all the reason why I keep pushing forward to try to make a video. But right now, I got a lot of parts that's needing to be addressed. So I know I've already been uploading slow, and that was because of the weather. Now it's because I got to address some parts. So bear with me. We'll get back to the weekly uploads, or twice a week even, if things start going good and the cars are going to get faster and be able to outrun more cars than ever. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.